Privilege when we pro, kijing petep nam tai kubur light kami kai, teki don santali ki post kami kai ke balaj, but lightly negine kide ki post deficit, teki ba don ka qualification but ki ba kwa ban apply sa page ki nege video ban kut, but ki detail ki ba khamnya haka ba day ban apply ki nege post ke balaj. Kaban kong one assistant teacher at Plitimai Presbyterian Lower Primary School. Smith Maurang Keneng kene krih po Maurang Keneng block kade namta ki bahi kai ke LP. Minimum qualification as per NCTE norms, a candidate should possess a lower mod pideben pass ke LP MTED pideben don ke LP MTED certificate. Age limit kade long saupo namta ki STSC but live pra namta ki OBC. Salary as per deficit system te kibakwa ban apply nam ta kane kabre po Maurang Keneng pila on pa ke application gejong pi secretary on or before 28/7/2023 hal ne shwa kar pratarik contact number ada bai pila ban contact ini ki nomor kumno ban poi ke application gejong pi 6909415970 bat new wepan kandai nyu sau rew Waisan Prasau not. Tegi bokwa na apply kene ke belaj po. Maurang Keneng block sa kontak kini ki nomor. Sa kawepan one assistant teacher at Jongsha RCLP school Jongsha Maukanro block kene ke po Maukanro block. Kene ru kade namta ki LP te ka qualification glom as per NCTE norms student pass via class 12 45% above. Dependent ya ka dilet dependent ro ka LP MTED certificate. Tak age limit ka juhi saupo salary ka deficit ki interested candidate kilaban poi application form jung phi hal nishwa ka live hui tarik de banyo arjar apply contact number long pra nyo ar khandai pra nyo uwe non but no pat pra we lai ar not khandai nyo ar khandai nyo ki bokwa ban apply subhaban contact kini number ramta ki tip ki khamnya kabalai one post at Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School Pin Ursula kanero kadi deficit mo kadi hapo Pin Ursula required assistant teacher qualification dimlong BSc PCM with BEd ki bala apply ki devin pass way ka BSc PCM physics chemistry maths with BEd but ka BEd mo don kam and at least 2 years experience and kam as name experience in teaching. Submit the standard application form to office school from with effect 21st and 24 July 2023 nadu ka arpoi tarik hadu arpau tarik July arja apply kapor namta admission kalong shipo hadu khadar jajan mid te kadon so ka shwa ka written test shwa ban poi interview written test will be on 29 July 2023 te lada pai no contact number ru lada phi kwa ajing te khamnya pra arsan khandai not khandai sau lai nyau sa phone lada phimyo ban pan kwa ban tip hai ka school ka dan sei jasa kontak ini nomor kan mau ka tere kadai arpoi do arsau ban lai submit ki application form jong phi Green Hill Christian kan ka basau Green Hill Christian Academy Umolong wanted tribal and non tribal MA BEd English minimum age 38 te kan kham IAH om bai at English te phila ban send ki application jong phi lan ka priority phi lomba ka WhatsApp te phila banya kren hi mapi ki detail ki bahmne han nak mention ka payment ya e baro mention te phila ban contact ni number ai phila ban send ki detail jong feeling ba kan ka WhatsApp pra san khandai pra san not lai san lai hal ne shwak ar photarik de banyo arjar fly namta ki detail phila ban contact ni number pra nyo san nyo pra nyo sau nyo. Awasan application are invited for the post of assistant teacher in UP section kan abde namta ki UP section at Bethany Secondary School Knoxdale kan ka dia Pori Boy district kamau nomor namta ki UP vitamin dab ya class 12 with 45% ya DLED non kamro saya ka M10 Riboy district kan dia Boy district namta ki dia interested ban submit ban apply kan ka post pila ban pha ki resume jong phi pok office jong ka school te la kwa ban tip khamne bha namta ka ne phila ban phone ki nik number kal do ang ne khandai pran rew ar khandai san rew way not ar bat doi way pat pra khandai nyau sau ar pra san sau kita ki bokwa kan ya ka qualification ber ki bokwa an apply kini post balai sa kontak hi nomor bel ai haneng tang kini juptip khule juan